Hello Sec, MJ Orin right here again. You are welcome to another episode in our weekly market direction and market analysis series. And in this particular video, we'll be looking at GBP JPY. First of all, we'll be starting with the market direction. And as we can see here, GBP JPY has been bullish for some weeks now. Now, what I'm expecting in GBP JPY based on direction is I'm expecting GBP JPY to fill up the imbalance that we have here on the weekly time frame. Now, this is the imbalance I'm talking about on the weekly time frame. I'm indicating that with the rectangle that we have there, expecting GBP JPY to fill up the imbalance that we have there. Now, if this doesn't occur, because from the lower time frame, there is a retracement that is occurring on the lower time frame. Now, if this doesn't occur, that the retracement continues for us to fill up this imbalance that we have here, I'm now expecting GBP JPY to fill up the previous week candlestick that we have here. This is the previous week's candlestick, and I'm expecting GBP JPY to fill up that previous week's candlestick if it is going to continue going bullish. This is the week that I'm talking about, and I'm expecting GBP JPY to fill up the week that we have here if it is going to keep going bullish. Now, with that being done, the next thing we'll do now is to step down to the daily time frame to see if there is any other market footprint, imbalance, other block, whatever that needs to be filled up before even approaching our weekly zones. Now, looking at the daily time frame, we don't have any imbalance that needs to be filled up here. Neither do we have any other block that needs to be filled up here. So we are going to maintain our weekly zones and then wait for the market to play out. Now, that being done, we will now analyze to know where we are going to be selling the market from, or where we are going to be buying from. This is going to give us a head start for the week. And I said in the former video that I like using my 4-hour time frame to do my analysis. Now, on my 4-hour time frame, these two boxes, this first box highlighted here and this second box highlighted here, is my price range. That's the price range I'll be trading for now until price breaks out of this range. Now, this week we have been buying GBP JPY already from this other block. We've been buying from this other block already with the expectation to sell from the other block at the top. We are buying from this other block. We are buying from here with the expectation to sell from this other block at the top and then take our profit at that particular zone. That's what we are expecting this week. So if you look at this other block that we have here, taking a look at this other block that we have here, please watch my cross shade. That is what I'm using to indicate for better explanation. If you look at the other block that we have here, it is too big, because if we measure that, we will be having up to about 100 pips from the entry. This should be about 100 pips from the entry, and which is not suitable for many of us account size. So I'll be refining it here at once for those of us who do not know how to refine. I'll be refining that down to the 1-hour time frame. Okay, good enough. We have that at the 1-hour time frame here. That has been refined down to the 1-hour time frame, and we have a reasonable number of pips from our stop loss. So our stop loss to our entry will be giving us about 41 pips. Now, from our entry down to where we presume to take our profit, we are having about 372 pips. So, like I said, using the 4-hour time frame, I am expecting to sell the market to go short from this particular zone. Having bought from this particular zone, I'm expecting to go short from this particular zone and take my profit from here. As the case may demand, we might still have to break off from this zone and keep going lower. So that is the analysis for this week, and we expect the markets to play out accordingly. And I hope that you have understood what we've done here. Please like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, comment on the video, as this tells me that you found this content very, very valuable, and I should in turn keep dropping more. Thank you, and see you in the next video.